Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today I'm going to show you how to create a repeated pattern. But before you watch this, please watch how to trace the basic steps. There I'll show you how to do the process of tracing from start to finish. So now you have your tracing, all you need to do is draw over exactly the same lines. Make sure that you're nice and accurate, and then you'll get a really accurate design that will be traced through. Remember, the image only transfers through if you have graphite on the other side. So if at all at any stage you can't see the image appear on your paper, always check the reverse side of the tracing paper or whatever alternative you're using to tracing paper. The repeated pattern that I'm doing here is a half drop, and I'll have 5 repeated Nutella jars on my page. If you follow these steps and this process, you should be able to make use of your tracing paper, and it should last for quite a few different repeats. It will appear quite faint on your page, but all you can do is simply go over it at the end. Now I've finished off, I just need to go over it with my pencil to make it slightly darker. If you are adding colour or indeed painting onto it, you may want it still faint, so there's no need to go over it. Thank you for watching, subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.